episode of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and what we're doing today is going to take a look at launchers. So launcher is basically the ability to go into a secret, and then it'll launch into whatever program or whatever activity that secret is linked to. So if you have like Active Directory accounts, you may have them linked to a remote desktop session activity. If it's a web password account, maybe we're just passing those from the browser secret to the website target, or we could even be using our extension as well. But let's take a look at launchers at the granular level, and then we'll take a look how we apply them. So we're going to take a look at launchers here, and these are launchers that are out of the box. So we're taking a look at these. We can see that we have everything from, like I said, a remote desktop session to a website login. Then we have other ones that are called like a SQL Server launcher, MySQL, and then PowerShell and so forth. So you can see a variety of launchers that we have here and how that works. So now we're going to take a look at, just real quick here, the launcher tools. So these are some other aspect of launchers, and this is mainly applies to, a lot of these apply to launchers that I was just talking about just a second ago. So some of these are handlers to be able to facilitate that connection between the secret and like doing the RDP connection. And we also will show in another episode how to work on Connection Manager and how to make that work as a launcher as well. So we're going to come back over to settings, and then one other component here is launcher settings. And then we can see here we have a variety of toggles that we can flip on and off here to make our launchers do what we need them to do. Okay, so let's say we have our launcher, and what we're going to do here now is we're going to come over into settings. And so each secret that we have in Secret Server has a template to it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come into templates, and what we're going to see here is that if we come into Active Directory, what we're going to do is click on Active Directory, and then we're going to come into mapping. And so mapping is where we're going to indicate our launchers that are available. So if we add mapping here, and we said that we want to maybe pass this credential into another particular program, we could actually add that launcher right here. So we could say that maybe we want to do launch with RDP, maybe we want to launch with TeamViewer, something to that effect. We can add those in here. So it really depends upon the secret template type to see what kind of launcher you're going to use. So for example, if we used, if we looked at Unix, for example, here, we'll see that our mapping here has the PuTTY. We have a PuTTY mapping here, and then one other example here I'll show you is web password filler, and we can see that that one will essentially just be the launcher for the website login. So that basically just contains some fields here in which it takes and passes those parameters into the target. So that's secret templates. That is launchers, and that's how it all kind of works together. And thank you for watching.